In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. To get started, open up a new internet browser and come across to roblox.com. Once you've logged into your account, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Roblox and click onto this gear icon to bring out this menu. From here, come and click onto settings. And once you're in your settings, you want to come into your account info. And you want to make sure you've added and verified a phone number and email address. And you also want to do this for your age as well. So you want to add your birthday, verify your age. So you can see in my case that I have verified all of this. And once you've done that, from your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and content restrictions. What you then want to do is click onto communication and then click onto experience chat. Now what you want to do is make sure this is turned on for experience and direct chat. And then what you want to do is just come back a screen back into privacy and content restrictions and click onto party and party chat. From here, make sure the party feature is turned on, and you want to make sure for party chat and party voice chat that you have this selected to either all friends or just trusted friends. Once you've done that, you'll be good to go. You can now start using voice chat in Roblox experiences, and that is how to get voice chat on Roblox. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Roblox and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.